Alright, so the angle puzzle, you can find out the angles in it by looking at which angles are side by side that make up 180 degrees and which angles in the triangle make up 180 degrees. Okay, if you're looking at angle 1, you know that angle 1 is right next to 100 degrees. Angle 1 and 100 degrees together have to make 180 degrees. So if that's 100, then you know that angle 1 has to be 80. Alright, angle 2 and 138 are side by side, so they have to equal 180. So you would find out angle 2 by taking 180 and subtracting it from 138, and then you would get okay, so you find angle 3 by looking at it and saying that 138 and angle 3 are 138 degrees because they are alternate exterior angles and they are congruent. So angle 3 is also going to be 138. Alright, angle 4 has an alternate exterior angle. So angle 4's alternate exterior angle is going to be, so it's 100 degrees. So we know that angle 4 is also going to be 100 degrees. Alright, to figure out angle 5, we need to look at this like it's a triangle. Alright, this equals 180 degrees. The triangle, the interior angles of the triangle equal 180 degrees. So if one of the angles of the triangle is 80 degrees, and then the second angle is 42 degrees, and we know that they have to equal 180 degrees, we can find the third angle, which is angle 5, by subtracting 122 from 80. And we get 58. So angle 5 is 58 degrees. Okay, to figure out angle 6, we know that angle 5 and 6 are adjacent and they're side by side, so they're going to equal 180. So if we know what angle 5 is, which is 58, then we can subtract 58 from 180, and we can get 122 for angle 6. Okay, looking at the bottom puzzle, you should be able to tell right away the first angle that you should figure out would be 47 and angle 7, because they're adjacent angles, they're side by side, so you can figure out angle 7 by doing 180 minus 47. So angle 7 is 133. To figure out angle 8, okay, you have to ignore one of the transversals and just look at these parallel lines cut by a transversal, and you can tell that they are alternate exterior angles, 47 and angle 8. So if they are alternate exterior angles, then angle 8 is congruent with 47, so angle 8 will also be 47. So angle 9 has a relationship with 104, an angle that we know. So angle 9 and angle 4, if you pick up 104, it's corresponding with the angle beside angle 9. So you can do 180 minus 104 to figure out what angle 9 is. So angle 9 is 76. And if we know what angle 9 is, then we know that the angle beside it, angle 10, we can figure out what that is by subtracting 180, because angle 9 and 10 together have to equal 180. So we're going to do 180 minus 76. So this is going to be 104. Okay, to figure out angle 11, you're going to look at this like a triangle. Okay? You're going to look at 8, the vertical angle of 11, and the adjacent angle of 10 as a triangle. So we want to figure out what the angle is that's vertical to angle 11, because whatever that vertical angle is going to tell us what angle 11 is. So if we know that angle 8 is 47 and the vertical angle of 9 is 76, we have 76, angle 8 is 47, we can add 47 and 76 together and subtract that from 180, because the triangle's interior angles have to equal 180. When you add them together, you get 123, and then you would take 123 and you would subtract that from 180 to find out what angle 11 is. So you get 57. So if this angle in the inside of the triangle is 57, then angle 11, its vertical angle, is also going to be 57. Angle 11 and 12 are right next to each other. They're adjacent angles. So to figure out what angle 12 is, all we need to do is take 180 and subtract angle 11, which is 57. You get 123. So angle 12 is 123.